guys, welcome back to Lumi Life. I hope you all are doing great. And this video is all about workwear outfits. We are going to create 5 different workwear outfits and we're going to style them so that you are able to elevate your style in your office. So let's get started with this video, but before we do that, I just want to say that whatever clothes I am showing in the video, it's not that you go and purchase every top or every trouser or every shirt in that. It's just about how you can style your outfits from your existing wardrobe. This video is just for reference purpose so that you understand that how you can create outfits which look very put together and also look very stylish. So without wasting any time, let's get started now. And if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you for watching all my content. So let's get started. So for the first outfit, I am going to style this dark gray shirt, and already this color is quite dark. So basically what we do is we always pair such shirts, dark shirts with black trousers, but instead of black trousers we are going to wear it with this long pencil skirt. It is in peach color and it would actually complement the outfit because we already have a dark top, and this light bottom will obviously elevate your look. So let's see how it looks and how we style it further. Now we are going to wear accessories, and if you can see that this accessory is just in the color of the skirt with some silver work, and it is very beautiful and still minimalistic because in office you would require minimalistic jewelry only. Now when it comes to wearing necklace भी मैंने ऐसा rose gold and silver color में ही pair करा है just to match with the earrings and keeping the vibe of the dress all together. With this I am going to wear a watch. Watch is also rose gold in color, so that our entire look looks put together. I'm going to wear these bellies which matches the skirt. With this entire look, I am going to carry this bag. This bag also has some peachish color in it, but I am not very happy with this bag. I think in your wardrobe you should be having one tan color bag and also one black color bag. I think they are sufficient to create any look for your office. And though I don't have any tan color bag right now with me, so that is the reason I am carrying this bag, but I think a plain tan colored bag would look more appropriate with this dress. Now for outfit number 2, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप हमेशा अपने ट्राउजर्स को अपनी शर्ट्स के साथ ही पेयर अप करें. यू कैन ऑल्सो पेयर अप विथ योर रेगुलर टॉप्स दैट यू लाइक, एंड उसके साथ भी एक बिजनेस कैजुअल काइंड ऑफ लुक क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू विद आवर सेकंड आउटफिट इज वी आर गोइंग टू पेयर दिस सिंपल प्लेन व्हाइट बेसिक टी शर्ट और टॉप with a tan trouser. So basically we are going to pair these two outfits together for a very minimalistic yet stylish look. So let's just see how we are going to accessorize them. For accessories we are going with very simple stud earrings because in office you have to be minimalistic in every way. So I think these stud earrings are the best deal. Now for watch, I am going with a silver and gold mixed watch. It looks like it has little tan color in it, so I am going with this. Now for sandals, I am again going for something very basic, cream colored sandals. It's more like a cream and whitish sandal so that it matches with my top. Now for the bag, I am going with the same bag that I took in my previous look because I think this bag again matches the whole vibe of this outfit. So for my next outfit, I am going monochromatic. These colors are basically from a similar family. They both are pastel colors. I have a nude culottes and a very light pink, nudish pink shirt over it. I think it's summers, it is very important to wear nude colors clothings, very summerish and pastel colors. एंड आई थिंक ये काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है एक साथ आउटफिट। मैं अगर मैं ऐसे अपने वॉर्डरोब्स में नहीं ढूंढती तो इवन आई वुड नॉट हैव नोन दैट these two colors would look good together. So experiment with your outfit, see what colors can match together. So talking about jewelry, I am going with the same earrings that I wore in my previous dress, because I think these earrings would again match the complete look. And for necklace, I am going to wear this beautiful necklace. This is in this rose gold color, and that is the reason I have put this minimalistic earrings, because the necklace is little on the heavier side and I didn't want to go overboard with this dress. For the watch, I am going with this rose gold watch again because I think it matches the whole outfit. When we talk about sandals, I guess these bellies wedges again match with the outfit and goes with it. So this is the way you reuse your sandals and your watches, your accessories again and again with the same outfits rather than buying new ones. The same bag can be used with this dress as well. रिमेंबर हमारी फर्स्ट वाली जो आउटफिट थी उसमें हमने एक डार्क कलर की शर्ट पहनी थी एंड वी वोर अ लाइट कलर्ड स्कर्ट टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट द आउटफिट. In this outfit we are going to do just the opposite. We are going to wear a light shirt and on that we are going to put some dark bottoms. So for our light shirt, I'm going to use this shirt. This is a satin shirt and ये काफी ज़्यादा ऐसे apricot color में है and look at the sleeves, the sleeve details and everything is very good. It's different from the regular shirts and I like it a lot, especially this knot on the neck. So with this we are going to wear a dark colored flare trousers, and for trousers I am going to wear these bottle green trousers. They are having a flare at the end. So let's just wear this and see how we can accessorize this wala look. I have tucked in the shirt and rolled up my sleeves. This is a little loose kind of top. I'm not going to wear anything on my neck, any necklace, because it already have this detailing at the neck. For the earring, I am going with this one only, but I could have worn something in this color, this bottle green color, but I think these basics, already we have a pop of color in our outfit, so I just want to keep the rest of the outfit very minimalistic and very basic. I'm going for the same watch and a different bag. This time I am taking a black bag instead of the one that we were taking every time. Basic beige flats. So let's see the final look now. For our last and final outfit, I am going to style this sheer top, black color sheer top. It has these beautiful flowers on it. So this top I am going to style with a trouser, and obviously the trouser would not be something of usual color. It's a pink color trouser, a rose gold pink color trouser. This is the one, and I think looking at the camera only I can see that this is such a beautiful combination. So let's just style this and see what we can do with this outfit. For earrings, I think that something very minimal would go with this dress. Obviously there would be no necklace in this also because it covers the whole neck. So for earrings, what I am gonna do is I'm going to wear these beautiful earrings. They also have a flower on it and I think it will match with the entire outfit. For watch, I am again going with this watch. This has gold and silver color in it, so I think it will definitely go with this. For sandals, I am going to wear these one. They match the entire outfit. For the bag, I am again taking this one. I think this is a very versatile piece, and as I said that tan colored bags are something that you should be having in your wardrobe because they are very neutral and they matches all your outfits. So a black and a tan bag are the capsule bags that you should be owning right now. So guys, these were the 5 outfits that I created for office wear. I hope you like this video, and the idea behind this video was that you don't have to purchase new clothes every time. You can create lot of outfits from your existing wardrobe, and this was one of the examples that how you can style your outfits and elevate your style in office. So if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel and also give a big thumbs up to this video. So we'll be meeting next Sunday with another great video. And if you like these outfits and the idea behind creating them, then do let me know in the comment section. We'll meet next time. Bye bye.